In this video, I will show you how to check your Robinhood limit. To do this, you want to go and open up Robinhood and first click on the profile icon in the bottom right. From there, go and click on either transfer money or transfer crypto depending on which limit you want to see. And then from there you will see this. Now what you want to do is click view transfer limits. And then it will show you your transfer limits. So in this case, I can deposit up to 250,000 euros every business day and should receive the deposit within 2 business days. You can withdraw up to 100,000 euros every business day. So those are my limits for actually transferring money. Now you also have it for crypto and that works the same. But you may also want to check your day trade limit or your credit limit. To check your day trade limit, go to your account and also tap on the menu or settings icon and then select investing. Now I am on the Europe app, so therefore I don't have it here, but if you're using the US app, then you will find investing and then there scroll down to find the section for day trades to see your current limit. Now to check your credit limit, if you have the Robinhood Gold credit card, in the Robinhood credit card app, go to the Home tab, select the info or the circled I, and from there you can see the details of your credit limit. Alternatively, you can go to the app's menu and then Documents and then APR and Limits, and there you will also find it. So that's how to find your limit on Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.